Hello friends, let us look at this question here. You are told that Cargo deposited this amount, 30,000, in a financial institution that paid a simple interest. So we have a side for simple interest here, and we have a side for compound interest. Remember, in simple interest, we should be talking about principal, rate, and time. And also in simple interest, we are supposed to be having an amount. So after that, we also have to denote down the formula for simple interest. It means that principal is equals to rate times time principal times rate times time over 100. This one will give us the interest. So we have the principal as 30,000 in this case. The principal is 30,000. On a financial institution, the rate, we have 12%. Nekesa deposited the same amount, so we have two people here. This is Cargos. And this side, we have Nekesa. Nekesa deposited the same amount in a financial institution that paid a compound interest. So under compound interest also we have principal, rate, but time we use N. So by doing that, we are going to find amount. And for this case, we know the formula, it is P into R into 1 plus R of 100 power N. So these are the difference in the formula. However, if I found the interest in simple interest, then to find amount, I will say is equals to principal plus amount. That is the difference. So we continue. The number the time, the principal is the same amount, you can see. The rate here we don't have. The number of years, time, it is 5. So we can, because under simple interest we have everything, we can find the total amount under simple interest. So that will say it is principal, which is 30,000, times the rate, which is 12, because it is in percentage, times time, it is 5. So by working, we are going to have the interest as 18,000. Therefore, the total amount will be, the way we have said here, that amount will be the interest, or the principal, the interest plus the principal. And the interest is 18,000. Therefore, the principal was 30,000. So the total amount that is going to be in the bank for Kego will be 48,000. Therefore, this amount is the same that is supposed to be with Nekesa after the 5 years. So we can form that equation and say 48000, that is 48,000, because find amount is equals to principal into 1 plus R over 100 power N is equals to the principal, which is 30,000, plus, here we have 1 plus the rate, which is 5. Rate we don't have, that is what we are looking for. And the years are 5 years. So to start with, you are going to divide both sides by 30,000. So 48,000 divided by 30,000, we are going to have 1.6 on this side, is equals to 1 plus R of 100 power 5. So you find the fifth root of this number. To find the fifth root, you press 5, then shift, then the power form, that is fifth root of 1.6. So we have this side 1.09856 is equals to 1 plus R of 100. To make R the subject, I'll take 1 this side. Therefore, if I subtract 1, it will be 0.09856 is equals to R of 100. Therefore, the rate becomes 9.856. So because of being told in 1 decimal place, therefore the rate that was used here was 9.9%.